Okay, can I get a venti iced, no, sorry, not venti. Let me get a tall iced Americano, decaf, and just some cream. And then just a venti ice water. That's it. Okay, thank you. Hi guys, it's about 7 minutes before I need to start walking, and it is 11:28, and I will start walking in around 11:35. My shift is from 11:45 to 1:45, and it's a really hot day today, so I'm glad I have my large water. So it'll be a 2-hour shift. I checked the app, and the flight is 9 minutes late, which is not a big deal. So it's a turn, so we'll just get a big plane coming in, unload the bags, load the bags, and send it out. So I'll talk to you in a minute. So the summer weather is definitely upon us. It's mid-April, well, April 22nd, and it is hot. I should have wore shorts today, so I just have to make sure that I drink lots and lots of water to stay hydrated, and go from there. From the magic carpet, and so now we're going to go ahead and load the bags. Right now we are finished packing the main bags. We're just waiting for the standby bags to get cleared, and then also we're waiting to load the priority last. And on days like this that are hot, it's really nice to be in the pit because there's AC. I'm not outside in the sun, so you would think that this would be the hardest place to be during the heat, but actually it's the best. So you touch this, you press the button, and it moves. I am done. So it was a good shift, and you know what, normally I don't like the pit so much, but on hot days like this, the pit is great. So I got to stay in the AC and just stack bags. Busy day. I am done at the airport, and I am about ready to go home, take a quick shower, and go to a family party. So I didn't miss anything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will